So, I'm here to discuss about Indian wedding industries. This Indian wedding industry is a colossal and big $1 million generating industry. It is blend of cultural traditions and has certainly significant economic impact. Like you will be surprised to know that it creates 70,000 crore rupees revenue in our India's GDP, and it has capacity to create almost 1 crore temporary employments. It also helps in sustaining livelihoods of people like event planners, florists, photographers, videographers, and jewelry artists. All these people. And after the government has started the initiative of Vocal for Local, now almost 70% of the wedding purchases are Indian made. And this wedding season, we all know, is for almost 45 days. And you will be surprised to know that these 45 days creates 6.5 lakh crores rupees just from 46 weddings happening in a year. And we all know that these days there is a fashion of destination wedding, isn't it? There is a rising trend of destination wedding. Now people, instead of celebrating in their hometown, they prefer going at some place, Anna, isn't it? And it may be in their domestic place if we talk about India, and it may also happen in internationally in other foreign countries like Switzerland and you see all those countries, Italy and etc. But after the government has started the campaign of Wed in India, now people are moving towards places like Goa, Kerala, and Udaipur. Now, because of this, these areas have gained immense popularity. So it helps us that the money which has to be gone into abroad now is being invested in our India itself. And as we know that it creates employment, it helps in increasing our GDP, and because of this destination wedding now the money is being invested in our India. But see, with all these things, I would also like to say that it certainly have some negative impact also. Like first of all, this creates an financial pressure. How? Because in order to compete with the rich ultra class people, they have certainly made standards, high standards for people, and just to maintain their social status, people, most of their earned savings, they all through they put into their weddings, and even without thinking of their savings, they take high interest loans just to just to match the social status with those people. That's not good. And another thing which I will say that it also put pressure on the environment. How? Because you see, because this big fat wedding interest industry also promotes the wastage of food, water, and electricity. If we talk about this wedding culture, near about 500 people if joins this wedding, it creates 1,000 kilograms of wastage. So there are many more negative impacts like financial, just like as I have said before, financial pressure and environmental constraints. So how can we cope up with these problems? Firstly, that we should have a mindful spending. How? Instead of you know investing into lavish parties, we should donate this money into charitable causes, and we should negotiate with NGOs so that the remaining food, the leftover food, can be distributed amongst the need ones. So in this way, with having positive impact like economic impact, we must also make a balance between environment and our uh, it must be economic sound also. Thank you.